After the order is approved, the purchasing agent or buyer can convert this into a purchase order by selecting the requisition and selecting Create PO. If this is a situation where they are not converting a requisition into a purchase order, they can select Create PO and enter all the purchase order information from scratch, including all of the items. We are going to convert requisition number 39 into a purchase order. BPM pre-fills all the data fields from the requisitioner. The buyer or purchasing agent can review and make any changes as they see fit. They can review the spec sheets or the internal documentation. They can also estimate shipping, add discounts, or tax rates. Now the buyer has completed the review of the requisition to convert into a purchase order and is going to email this to their vendor. Select the contact at the vendor we would like to send the purchase order to and send the email to the vendor. We now see we have created purchase order number 43 and the status is sent to vendor. The vendor receives an email with the purchase order information. When they select the link, it shows them all the purchase order information, including the external attachments and purchase order notes, and the additional terms and conditions, along with each line item. They may also generate a PDF of the purchase order to download or print out. When the vendor selects the View Purchase Order link in the email we have sent, it sends a message back to Bellwether so that Bellwether knows the vendor has now received the purchase order. So when we review the PO, the status changes from Sent to vendor received.